This tank was one of Germany's most advanced machines. Its engineering was remarkable for the time. Yet, despite its capabilities, it could not change the outcome of the war. Let's see why. Germany produced highly advanced tanks, but only in small numbers. Factories could not keep up with the demand. Each machine required careful assembly and skilled labor. In contrast, America focused on mass production. Thousands of tanks were built every month. Simpler designs allowed factories to scale output efficiently. Performance. Scalability proved decisive. Having many tanks allowed America to sustain losses and maintain pressure. Innovation alone could not overcome limited production. The German engineers pursued perfection. Each tank carried advanced armor, complex mechanics, and powerful weapons. On paper, these machines looked unbeatable. Financially slamming a bay for heirs for physical, but complexity comes at a cost. Repairs took time. Spare parts were scarce. When a tank broke down, it often stayed out of battle for weeks. The wind is interested at a never a fly house for her. The American tanks were different. They were not perfect, but they were reliable. Easy to repair. Easy to replace. If one tank failed, another quickly took its place. This was not about brilliance. It was about endurance. As war dragged on, the need for resources grew. America, with its vast industrial capabilities, could produce supplies faster than any other nation. System. While German factories were focused on quality, the American system thrived on quantity. This difference in scale would prove decisive. America's factories didn't just build tanks, they built everything. Trucks, ammunition, supplies. The entire industrial complex became a war machine. Being a bet. In the end, the ability to produce at scale, to replace lost equipment, and to keep fighting gave America the upper hand in the war. Supply lines, repair crews, and fuel distribution were just as crucial as the tanks themselves. America's industrial network allowed rapid replacement and continuous advancement. Technology alone could not win the war. Strategy, logistics, and industrial strength determined the outcome. Every tank on the battlefield relied on a network behind the scenes. Discovering in the new war, brilliance alone is not enough. Scale, reliability, and the ability to sustain operations are what decide the victor. This lesson shaped modern military thinking.